Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in the general list we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. So let's tap. Then we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers right here. So now we are able to freely tap on date, for example, and change the date just by choosing it from the calendar. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time. You can choose it from the clock. Tap on OK, and again, it will be set. The time zone. Simply tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here you've got available options, so find yours and tap. It will be immediately applied. And the time format, so you can either use local default, which is the automatic option, let's say, and here the 24-hour format. So you can use it just by making this switcher look like this, or you can simply turn it off and set 12-hour format, so it's completely up to you. And this is the whole customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers next to automatic options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.